everyone, this is Poojashree and welcome back to my channel Passion Fruit. In case you are watching my video for the first time, then go first and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. I'm absolutely ready to go out. I'm going out with my husband. It's a date night. So we are going out for dinner. I might upload pictures and show you guys on my Instagram profile. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. And I thought, why not show you this quick makeup tutorial. But wait, something is really missing on my face. It doesn't look complete, right guys? Oh god, I forgot to do my eyebrows. I mean, how can I make such a big mistake? Eyebrows is a very important part of the makeup, so skip the 5 minutes makeup tutorial. Now first let me quickly show you different ways how you can get your eyebrows done quickly, that too in like 5 minutes. So let's get started. So guys, this is how it looks when my eyebrow is not done. I'll do one eyebrow and show you guys how much difference it makes. So let's head towards the video. The first product that I'm going to use is the color bar pencil. The color is chestnut. So let's apply and show you guys. Just apply it on the, just outline your eyebrows first. The end part should be the darkest, and you should not apply too much of eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powders on the front section. I'm just outlining. So I'm done outlining the eyebrows now. My eyebrows are not in the best shape guys, so pardon me for that. And the best part about this pencil is it has a spoolie on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it out. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm using it to apply on this end. So guys, you can clearly see the difference. So for the next eyebrows, I'll be using a product from L'Oreal. It is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. I think I've used this product in my beginners makeup tutorial video. You guys can even check out the video. I'll put the link for the video in the description section below. So even this has an angular brush and it has a spoolie, though it is small, but it works fine. It has a mirror. I've used this product a lot. This product is one of my favorites. While using an eyebrow kit like this, what you need to do is use the angular brush to apply the powder. Just outline your eyebrows the way we have used the pencil. A product like this is mainly for people who have quite thick eyebrows. You just need to fill the gaps between them. And an eyebrow pencil is mainly for people who has like very thin eyebrows like me. So let's use this product and show you guys the difference, and after seeing this you guys can decide which one is a better product for you. I'm just outlining. And one more thing, what I like about this product is it has two colors. I just always mix the two colors. I just don't apply a single color out of them. I love to mix them and then apply it. I use this eyebrow kit whenever I don't want my eyebrows to be too prominent in the daytime especially. Now I will be using the spoolie to just brush it out. I'm applying little more to the end of the eyebrows, as I want it to be the darkest. So this is how it looks. You can clearly see the difference when I'm using a eyebrow pencil and when I'm using an eyebrow powder like this. For the last process, in case you don't have a pencil or an eyebrow powder like this I've shown you, what you can always use is your eyeshadow kit. I will be using my Nika K23 Perfect kit, and I've also shown this kit in my other makeup videos. What you can do is, you have to, but for this you will definitely need an angular brush as well as a spoolie. I'll be using the one that is present in the L'Oreal kit. From this kit I can use this shade as well as this shade. I can mix this two shades and use it very easily. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the darkest shade and a little light shade and will outline my eyebrows in the same way I have shown you for the other two. This eyeshadow kit is actually very nice. I have purchased it, I think, for 800 something rupees, but sometimes you can check out in the websites like Nykaa. You will definitely find this kit, and they also sometimes run offers. You can find it in almost around 600 rupees. So just keep checking in Nykaa, you will definitely find this kit. I'm just outlining using my spoolie to brush it out and apply the product evenly. So this is how it looks, guys. One of the most important part of using any kind of eyebrow pencil or powder is that you should use a concealer to cover up the mess that you do. So I'm using the concealer which is from Maybelline. So what I'm doing is, I'm just taking a little product and applying it on the top and the bottom section. It will cover up any mess that you do. And it will also brighten up the skin. Just apply it properly with your fingers. Can you see the difference between this and this? This eyebrow has definitely brightened up after applying the concealer. Now I'm applying the same concealer for my other eyebrow. So this is the final look, guys, after 3 different types of eyebrow products that I've shown you guys. I hope this tutorial will be very useful for people who don't know how to apply the eyebrow pencil or the eyebrow powder, or even in case if you don't have all those products, you can anyways and always use your eyeshadow kit. So guys, if you love this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get the notification as soon as I upload a new video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Passion Fruit. Bye guys.